Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, again as you can see we're still on our door locks. Right, now if you look just in the corner there, where's my finger? Just over there, you can see that like a brown hoop mark. That is supposed to be a spring, there it is. And on this one it's over that side. So I've just taken the lock back off the door because it jammed again. And now seeing that on here, it's got to be hidden under there somewhere. There it is, you can just about see it. So I've got to now, what I'm figuring of doing is using the screwdriver, levering it around, just similar to that, and then grab hold of it some way, somehow, and bring it round to that position there. Okay, you want to watch my fingers, up to you. So we're gonna try and get it from there round to there. How are we gonna do it? Trial and error. I'll let you know in a minute. Okay, there's our lock as I showed you earlier on, the spring. Now I've managed to get the spring back in place, and there's our handle working fine. But I don't know how much I can trust that spring. So I'm going to show you how I done it. On the other side I've taken the handle off, and again you can see the mark where the spring is supposed to be. And if we look just there, we can just about see, if I just pull it back there, you saw it just now, there's the spring. So I'm going to do what I've done with that one. I got the spring, I'll lever it forward just like that, and then I got around there just like that, and I'll work it around with the handle. Try and get it between this space here. Oh, this is a nightmare, as you can see. Lost it. After all this headache, it may be better off just going to buy a lock. Right, let's see if we can get it just past here now. There we go. We'll get our handle back that way. Stretch it down a bit. You can see it's trying to work its way back up already. But that's basically what we want. How long this will last, I don't know. Like I said before, get yourself a new lock. So that one's working. That one is working. We need new door handles. So I'm going to fit these back and see how we get on. Okay, while you're with me, might as well watch me. What do you reckon, yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do this. Right, if I get our handle fitting that one, no. That's on the outside, this is on the inside. Get our screws. You can see it's a bit manging there. So we do get a screwdriver. Tap that down a bit, flatten it. CJ's music. Can you ask CJ, pause it a minute? I'll just put music over it. Because copywritten stuff. Another screw here. That works, doesn't it? Right, if I come around this side now, get a bar, put it back through there again. These are a lot more stronger now. I'll get the smaller one, it goes through here. Make sure it works. If it doesn't work, see? CJ? CJ? Okay. Right, we got that one in there. Now we'll get this one. We've got to make sure, if you look around here just a bit, just around here. See, that's a little bit, we should have checked that out as well while we had it off. You gotta get it in that position. You get that in there, and there you go. If you have it in that position and you get that in there, it won't work. Okay, so take that out, put it in position, put that back, and there we go. Okay, next thing we do, get our handle. If you look at the bottom there, you'll see the square where it lines up, and again, a square in there. So put that on there. Try and line them both up at the same time. See, I turned that one just a little bit just to get it to locate in there. Okay. Hopefully it'll work a bit longer this time. Somebody won't get jammed in the bathroom. I think we've cracked it. Alright, let's put another one just in here. Then we're going to get two more to fit up in there as well. Right, let me just show, if for any reason, mind you, if it gets stuck in there, that the door will be open anyway. It will be stuck in the open position, and this will be the lock, and that works fine, so we've got nothing to worry about. If for any reason your lock gets stuck, I should have shown you this, what you need is there. If I use this as a flat screwdriver or a knife, whatever you can use, and you turn that, okay, it operates there. Okay, so I need to find 2 screws for that. But until next time from Tradespeople's Tip, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. And I hope this helped you a little bit of the way. You can see your handles are a lot more usable. Yeah. While we're at it, if you have a gap that is so wide, you could put spacer behind just here and here. The only reason why your gap is so wide is because your door is probably wrongly adjusted. If you see the gap just there, how small it is, and it gets wider and wider as you come down. See, at the bottom there. So what you need to do is your hinges, but That's another job, another task, another day, another time. But in the meantime, your bathroom is locked and it works. Okay, see you later. Thanks for watching.